bear cat. Yes, it's a bear cat. Now see that Gucci tail? That tail is prehensile, meaning he can handle it. Show them muna. Show them how you handle. You will get some of his favorite fruits like banana, papaya, melon, or any other fruit. They can also eat meat and even eggs, so in short, they are omnivores. They also use their buttered popcorn smell to mark their territory. Alright, so please turn off the flashes of your devices. Thank you very much. And they have an usual hygiene that they can turn their backwards, so they can walk down the trunks with their head first. And here in the Philippines, these ones are bear cats are only found in the beautiful island of Palawan. That's why they're also known as Palawan bear cats. Alright, that's Luna, our bear cat. Thank you very much, Luna. Paturn off na lang ng classes natin, yung mga camera. Bye na. Okay, next. This world is truly wild and crazy. Imagine spending half of your life looking at the world upside down. Nakabaliktad.